Work don't start back for Feka Food this morning time, country people. Them strike be the day yesterday as workers them be denied vex they no go work again because all the grow brad the talks the way this John beginning day and the people them put down for Feka Food the over put them eye for thing where they do for they will come back for the talk about this chapter for picking with the drum for that side for Sierra Ndok back to country people them. We'll talk about water don't turn na diamond for Yaoundé. It don't back to tea one carry water for Yaoundé get for woke up. Now for night, find water so the morning time, meet up your country people them for Betwa, mayor for Betwa too. Yes, council, rural council for Betwa too. Don't give water for putting dig boreholes them. For they were talking about this boundary, yes, boundary for Njanga village and Mungo division for that side for Njanga village on Kam and Mungo division for a place where they call them. So this one now Njanga village, the country people. They were telling too about UPC. I say UPC don't decide to this so all the plenty UPC them go join. Send only one list for election for municipal election and legislative. Don't forget who could be parliamentarian country people talk to about Jean-Paul Akono. And they don't finally go Europe. We go for white man country yesterday for go cure self country people them. And then we'll talk about them all inside this matter too. With chapter 2 for fire and all the other one inside Pigeon TV News, Equinox Television with me, Eze Ekuleku Toride. I want a big salute country people them now welcome for stop fine. We start with same story for today and the same story for today be say better friendship they like the one for Manjanga and Mbunga fish. Better friendship they like the one for Manjanga and Mbunga fish. Where they come if inside water and they will last meet up on top market or inside pot shop. We're not to for another talk with country people. Then we start with this pref platoon as saying fire born for that side for Barclay what hotel con now that would for Dedo Valley for Paros Dedo Valley for church for this country people. Then fire born for the past market monitor sape pompiro will surely fix them as the inside machine. Then we'll bring them for now after for English. I mean for the English or news or even for bilingual news too for Equinox Television. Tell una too about this accident. Please for the column for this. For accident too for police with the column sina for Valley Saint Thomas where the Songonguru don't chakara moto them for the plenty so it happened rest the country people chapter for all this one day LC prepare and will promise some so give for now when the thing them big ready country people them na popo elele Sierra Ndok bat na yesterday we discover and we rain don't fall on top the dirty, fall on top dustbin, fall on top to the carton where they put them for back briqueterie where the cement block the way they build them for Sierra Ndok bat day and I wait to happen na chapter for picking where woman bona through them. Like this. Sierra Ndok bat day so country people as here they talk about them for this matter them. Can issue population come they see them. They say they discover the carton and na for the carton for back that's the main block them for day. And what happen for the carton? Na see the carton they inside the carton na what happen for the inside the carton. Country people then na wonderful matter. Na small picking. Look at that. Placenta for picking day. All things they can pay for the picking skin country people then. As when I get on they talk about them for this issue on the Palava population Siam. Shout for this the woman and come to the Siam. They cry. So how can manage with woman? Who's can woman fit born this kind of thing? So keep picking for that kind 9 months. Then burn up, bend in neck now. Keep on for that side. The other one they blame. Na man picking them. See them too. And be the cause for this incredible situation will happen for that side for Sierra Ndok back this country people. The wonderful Palavas here talk about them. Happen we don't trade picking. We ask them for some 2 people may tell we wait with the member about this one country. Now yet we didn't talk for microphone for Tata God love now yet.
Run the pass here, we don't see a lot of crowd of people start for it. Now we do a thing that can see what really happens. We don't got analyze and say that people don't know about them. Put the extra carton, go hide them, back block them, okay, they remove blood. So we don't finally realize and say we open the carton, realize and say that people don't know about them. So we stand for it so they really wonder. So because people then they find people who touch, they don't visit people. So we'll be very surprised to see how man one begin can abort and travel here. So we'll be very surprised. Very surprised. So we really want to amend the laws and order to take a serious enquête for the matter, so know the person, the clear way can do this kind of thing. The whole take the responsibility.
I'm very disappointed because this is pastor this year. This kind of thing so because I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I don't talk my own like this man kid where they outside so. When you give a leg for woman, you are one woman. Maybe the woman if you to accept, I don't think that the right way that they get on the bad. If you even tell me what can because they act like they're on the
Between man picking and woman, who they go blame man for that situation, country people. Then we talk to you about this chapter for Palava Wata, we go for Yaoundé. Wata for day na Greek man pay like this. I say people they work on for night, around 4 o'clock for night, the workers who take day to break them. You see, workers who take day to break them for Yaoundé. Kilometers upon kilometers to find water. Inside darkness, inside all things, for Yaoundé town, they come to put them. They find water play to figure town because tap no the flow. Look at. You open and stay even else sometimes they be air they come again for inside tap. They were walk and inside bush, inside farm. Go find stream, let me say river, any place small water they come out. Yes, look at spring. When they yes water they for some place, all man they do water they flow for day. Let's get to talk about them how we so. All the year about physical chapter for water for Yaoundé day. See what it really take place so. Look at people they suffer for get water, for try for cook. Then try for drink, even wash skin with them. When the yes water it come on now, all man can lie in gallon. All man can lie in gallon for the other way. Put pack up gallon inside back boat for motor. Any place water they work a find them kilometers upon kilometers for go find water. Now I won't tell you so. Look at if water say they come on inside got a hole. They need for carry. Even if water they come on inside got a hole, they need for carry. Then place the way they pump like this one so. Oh boy, put the bring motor, line up the gallon them for back boot for motor. Carry water for yes to take their own camp. Then go and back now for house. Before they go try spend off one the following morning they come again, contribute and the following morning they come again. Can't do this very kind thing that's when they get them. When they talk about them for this same matter, so all money complain so na palava for water for Yaoundé day. Even for Betua day, people don't suffer like 5 years to not get water for Betua 2 council. Wait happen now, mayor for the way they vote be promise put in water, they don't say they do a better work the same as they happen when you open the country people. Chapter for water they need this. Look at. I said borehole, they don't make and still build and like tap. Maybe the pumper now. Monsieur le mayor is safe for Betua, say the drinker. Say yes. At last water don't come back for Betua 2. And make like build like some 7 borehole them. That means 7 forage them for Betua 2 they say me put them begin the car now. So they talk now they don't over suffer for this chapter for water. Suffer for this chapter for water. So now water don't come so they happy say anyhow. Make the try now for get more water with the pumper now because Manzangana deep for that side to country people they say all now the mayor in come with deal for Betua 2 and the mayor Monsieur le mayor this. All the kind of happy now, see, they don't struggle to give water modest in belly. Every mayor for Betua 2 day, I don't struggle still with all the people, executive now, for put the water for that same people, they struggle for the drink income, they so country people. Come on now, talk about boundary palava. Now 17 years is 70 years where this so Jacques Njanga, Jacques, now the fight for same, made a sabi say inside that time for Njaman and country people them. Njanga village. Be own, no be farmland, no be chop farm for people for Sole and push up for the country people them. They do all things with the don't can see them all the map book way come out for that side for Museum National for when the Conservatoire National State can show them go discover the boundary in this. After 70 years of fight, people they turn the final. Final for level with the financial country, people they can't talk about and say this issue there. Now the kind thing that happen now, the book the way they go move on. So they show all the book now for so map for boundary between Mungo division and this camp where this one Abaside. Now the water this way they begin to street so they say Njanga na some water will pass, but Njanga that will pass this way now. Air for this way being a village so that's how they show all the map, show all the things so how it they happen all the situation Mungo and camp division for that side they contribute them. And they say they collapse no man if you can and now talk about them and they start to find them to climb on top bridge, find them to play with they want to see where they will go see the bond. Let me say this with the boundary where they be put on that time. Boundary we put the collapse in a boundary for Still for chop farm for put them the workers will find na country people they turn to they will come now come for on top the boundary na according to book with the whole and for their hand so na be the boundary for that side to country people they work now for find now enter left and right inside the Njanga deal with this on a big plantation and big farm for this country people they look at this they can climb on top and now they talk about and see so that is situation that we can't climb now for Siamuna. Since German time, we don't enter like a 4 meter for inside ground. Every can stand so for your country. The people in that situation that when things that it come, they take place when they talk about time for place where they come and I say that the boundary that between Mungo division and Nkap division without village in Njanga village for this country. People that think that we fight to don't last get time for all this chapter and the palaver time waiting happen and all the things where they come. They shop for this country people. They will talk now for politics now. UPC, I say all our UPC we don't cut half. UPC Nde Tumaza, UPC Kodok, UPC Makit, UPC Bidon plenty. So now they don't go for a day at home, don't gamen for the talk security. So they go join maybe now one UPC again, maybe they put only one list for UPC for all this municipal and election for deputy the way they come to contribute in this. Now for a day away orange is also all these people then for UPC. Then they for a day so contribute and talk about them. Say now, see now so thing they did for happen with Adolf Papin Dumela, all the other UPC them. Yes, contribute them. All the children have to talk today, may they do all things to make only one UPC list. A camp for municipal and then one UPC too for this legislative country people them. Say may they stop for the fight. That was the fight too. And they make a way. They need to consider them. They need to appoint them for any place of the country. Explain for them how things are supposed to be with them for that chapter. So we talk about that's what two things then they happen for the UPC for this and then for SDF now as we do yesterday with all the elections, the result them for preliminary election, primary elections them for Douala 5, Ugiam 2, as it happen 2 in for that side for place where they call them for the say Douala 2 to contribute for New Bell. Yes, now we don't talk see that one will be happen for Douala 1 so this Celestine German don't come on knock hand for table talk say Inofi Green say this so make Joshua OC even if now first vice president come for Indian Bakassi side come now for Douala 1 can be candidate for the say this so the Inofi Green that kind of thing inside work I say no go work as we get and talk about them for this country people will come back for that one too later. Now we'll talk about the Jean. Yes, you see, so we talk about Joshua Osina, the same thank you plenty innocent. Baker, say Inofi Green, say me Joshua Osina. A can for the begin do can be candidate for Douala 1 and where they should give for being around the division 2 for Bakassi zone that side this country. People in talk that way they talk about for the. Now we talk about Jean-Paul Akono. See this we don't inter-aeroplane for Simalen yesterday for go white man country. I don't reach white man country now for start treatment for this United. Since number 5 month, when Jean-Paul Akono fall sick, had cardiac attack. AVC na so they call him. The LP for come Yaoundé can Douala Yaoundé. Since that time, they cry see make you want go white man country. The Singa. They want go white man country the Singa. The Minister for Sport Adum Garwa Toxi Nangom na take care for you. Now we don't talk na lie. All this time so na Etofis Samuel na don't do nothing for you so they make he pay aeroplane, make he go for white man country, go take care for them and get visa for 3 months country for them. But he wants to make it be only small time for them. Then he come back for this matter. So he didn't have white man country where he don't go. Feka foot this whole trouble be there yesterday plenty. They don't start work back for them. Feka foot this country people them. They don't start work back for them. Yes, they start work this morning time. After way people them way join beginning the Antoine de Padou Esemba. E younger them David Maob maybe they put down for them. See me they do how. They do all things for say then that detox them for this. See me no leave me internet supervise all work. Put eye for what people they do for the country problem. Now, ABC they don't decide to no go work yesterday until that problem come, but they don't start back for work today. They talk say this so they don't leave them the work and may they do their work inside the office where no man no enter. All them now they talk in a Tombi Aroko Sidiki. Now they enter now stay they move problem for they tell them say they no work at all until they move other stranger them inside to fake food offices. So Kamambu them flop now for they continue to do their work. Then they grow brother into now talks into they also they also fake food day after way Idris said Dumbo Montoya, he resigned. First vice president after he said electing and voting now for number 19 day for this month for June where he passed so country people them. That is small that to be getting for now for today. Thank you plenty. This speaking we lost so country people them. Yes, he begin around 6 years country people them. Yes, they say this so this speaking no they go back. You know no road for go back for their house. So any person who sabi make a call this Equinox number them for try for see the number in this country people them enfin garé, enfin garçon qui ne se retrouve pas le chemin de la maison. Voilà les contacts. Il faut appeler. Now if you call this number, then country people them. So it happened so now 6 years speaking. So now for Equinox, so now if you call now, we can take on picking back for the. Thank you plenty Innocent Bega. Thank you to Technica Side Simon. This number and number way if you call we go fit send to the American film anything happen for na quarter so we announce for na country people. Thank you plenty if you see my back. My belly for front bye bye.